What's up guys, Greg here from Carid.com and welcome back to the shop. And in this video, I wanted to continue sharing some great interior accessories with you, but more specifically, what I want to do is showcase two all new sets of universal seat covers from the team over at Rixxu. These seat covers can not only help keep your seats protected, but they also provide a killer custom look to set your car apart from the rest. And in this video, we're going to take a closer look at Rixxu's all new Milano and Diamond series seat covers. So let's go ahead and get right into the seat covers that I have here with me today, starting with their all-new Milano line. Now, upon first glance, I think it's pretty evident that when Rixxu went ahead and designed their all-new Milano, they used a lot of European high-line luxury car design cues. The stitching patterns are very similar to something you would find in a luxury Mercedes or Land Rover, which is perfect for those of you that really want that luxury feel in your car's interior without paying the luxury car price. But it's not just the stitching that gives it that luxury feel, it's also the materials. Now for the Milano, Rixxu uses a durable yet comfortable padded PVC leatherette for the entire cover. This gives the Milano that look and feel of real leather for a fraction of the cost. But the other great feature of the leatherette is going to be how well it performs at protecting your factory upholstery. It doesn't matter if it's an accidental spill, an abrasion, or just any form of dirt, nothing is going to get through these covers to damage your factory seats. Not to mention, if you do accidentally spill something on these covers, it's going to take a matter of seconds to wipe them clean like it never even happened. Now, if for any reason the full leatherette construction of the Milano just doesn't seem to do it for you, check out Rixxu's Diamond series. Now, the Diamond series is another all-new addition to Rixxu's seat cover lineup. And like the Milano, it was designed with pure luxury in mind. Now Rixxu once again chose to use an elegant diamond stitching pattern throughout the center of the backrest as well as the lower seat cushion. But what really sets this seat cover apart is its beautiful two-tone design. Rixxu uses a plush and comfortable cloth in the center of every Diamond series and then surrounds it with a very tasteful black leatherette. Rixxu then tops off the entire design with smooth and tasteful PVC piping around the entire perimeter of the cover. So now that we have the construction and the design covered, let's talk about the different color options for each of these seat covers. Let's go ahead and start with the Diamond series, which unfortunately, guys, just has one option, the gray and black, and that's it. Trust me, I was just as disappointed as you guys are to find out that Rixxu only offers one color combo for their Diamond series, but I'm hoping that the only reason for this is because it's a brand new design. Hopefully in the near future, they're going to decide to offer a few more colors, but for now, it's just the black and gray. Now the Milano series, on the other hand, offers 3 different colors for you to choose from to either customize your vehicle's interior or accent it. Now you can select from either deep black color, a bright gray, or even a very attractive tan. Choose the same color as your vehicle's interior to match it, or even a different color to give it some contrast. It's all going to be up to you. Now the last thing that I want to touch on in this video is how to get these seat covers actually installed once you get them. And the good news is they are super easy and anybody can install a set of these on their car within just an hour. Now both the Milano and the Diamond series install using a series of straps, buckles, and zippers. It's just a matter of sliding each half of the backrest cover over your factory seats and then attaching them together. And the seat cushion is just as easy. Just place it over your factory cushion, work around the entire edge, and then using the provided straps, secure it to the underside of the seat frame, and that's it, guys. It will only take you an hour's time to completely transform your vehicle's interior. Well everyone, that's going to conclude my review today of Rixxu's all-new Milano and Diamond universal seat covers. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to add some style to your vehicle's interior while at the exact same time keep your factory seats protected, head over to Carid.com right now to check out Rixxu's all-new Diamond and Milano series seat covers. And while you're there, also take some time to sort through all of their other attractive seat cover options that Rixxu's going to have to offer in their lineup. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I will see you guys next time.